What's up everyone, Campbell's Coins here. I just wanted to do a quick video for you to highlight a couple differences between gold and silver. So before I get into everything, I just want to show off this. This is a 100-gram Pamp Suisse fine silver bar. I just picked this up from Zed Metals and it is awesome. So this is the length. As you can see, it's almost the length of my index finger, a little bit shorter. And the width, see, I would say it's about a 1/4 inch. This is 100 grams. This guy right here is also 100 grams. This is a Pamp Suisse gold bar, and this is pure gold. So this and this are the same exact weight, but what is the big difference between these two? The size. Look at the difference there. So not only is it about 1/3 of the size in terms of the front surface area, but it is half as thick. This bar here is twice as thick as this bar. This is just about 1/3 of the size, but both of these are the same weight. Now, why is that possible? That's because gold as an element is a very, very dense metal. It is one of the densest metals out there. I think tungsten is the only thing that's closest to it. Silver is also a very dense metal, but as you can see, it is not as dense as gold. Now, why does this matter? Well, all of this matters if you are a stacker who has very, very limited space to store your metals. If you live in an apartment that you don't have a whole lot of room, it's not like you can stack hundreds and hundreds of ounces of silver around because there's just no space. This cost me a little less than $4,800. This cost me 80 bucks. As you can see, this holds a lot more wealth in a small form over the silver bar. And this does not take up a whole heck of a lot of room. If you had to leave your area, if you had to leave your home, you could easily pack this away. You could put this in your shoe and not really feel it. You can hide this fairly well over $4,800 worth of silver. I think that's around 300, maybe 350 ounces of silver. That's a lot of weight, and that's a lot of space being taken up by silver. So, as a stacker, you kind of have to ask yourself, what do I need? Do I care about how much weight silver or how much space silver is taking up? That's a question you have to answer. What are you using this for? Are you using this because you think you're a prepper and when the boogaloo happens, you're just going to bounce, you're going to get your go bag and then take off? It's a laughable concept to begin with, and hopefully a topic I can tackle in the near future. But let's say you are one of those people who thinks you're just going to bounce when the boogaloo happens. Well, you're not going to want to take a whole ton of silver when a small gold bar like this equals that same amount of in dollars. You're going to want to grab something like this because you're going to have limited space in your pack, and all of that weight that you're going to have to haul around is going to get heavy, very heavy after a while. So I just want to do this quick video to show you the differences. I don't know if a whole lot of people realize how much of a difference there is between gold and silver, just in terms of size and density, I should say, and what that could equate to for you and your stacking purposes. I will continue stacking both of these, and I think it's because, well, it's not I think. I will continue stacking both of these because silver will have a greater return in terms of investment, and gold will always be in demand. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching Campbell's Coins, and that's my 2 cents.